Hey guys, Caleb here. Just letting you guys know that you can actually still buy the original Skyrim, not the special edition, the original Skyrim. All you have to do is copy this URL right here, this URL, and then you will be taken to the store page. You can also get the special edition. That's still on like the search engine store, but if you want the original Skyrim, maybe you have a worse PC than the minimum requirements of the original game. This will run way better. Um, so yeah, this is the original Skyrim, and it's way less space heavy. It's only like 11 gigabytes for the whole game, and the minimum requirements are way less intensive. I'm talking way less. This is the version of the game I own, and it's probably the best version for people with lower end PCs. The recommended requirements are a 260, and let me just put you into perspective what a 260 is. A 260 was released in 2008, and it was a high-end graphics card in 2008, and it goes into the orange zone when it's at 768p. Do you realize how low of a resolution that is? Pretty damn low. And yeah, you can go way higher, and most people probably have way better graphics cards than this. I've seen people with 750 Ti's and 1050 Ti's, but the special edition fine. But I highly recommend getting this version instead. It's way less intensive and better. It's just a better version of the game. But if you want something newer and you can run the game way better, I would recommend getting the special edition. This is the current version of Skyrim, and it has better graphics, better stuff. It came out in 2016, and they unlisted the original game for some reason. I have no idea why, but the system requirements are way higher, which pisses me off. Mostly because Skyrim used to not be intensive, and now it is. So yeah, that's how you can get Skyrim still on PC. The original Skyrim, that is.